Shh. What?
I'm sleepy.
Oh yeah, sorry. Hey guys, it's me. Sorry about the loud entrance. So we made new sandwiches, and I forget what I put in mine. I think I put like, I put this. I put this, and I put cheese, and I cooked it in a microwave, which is odd. I don't really care though. And then Riley cooked hers on the grill.
And I put cheese, ham, and then really gross chips. They're like those
Cheddar cheese chips.
and they're disgusting.
Okay, so we're just gonna let these cool down for a few minutes.
And we're gonna eat them.
Yeah, so I guess we can just like. Oh my God, you scared me. So what do you want to do, Riley?
Hold on. Hey, I can set up the camera like this so then you can watch us eat them.
Riley.
Then you can see us.
Hey guys, Riley set up the camera, and we're gonna bring over our sandwiches.
So we've got little.
Oh, this is hot. My sandwich is hot, and so.
Can we just get a close up on these sandwiches?
So we're gonna get a close up on these sandwiches.
Open it.
I'm gonna open one side somehow because it's stuck together. That's what mine looks like on the inside.
Mine looks like that.
And I might barf again. I don't. I hope Riley does. I don't care that I was rude. I'm sorry about that, guys. My camera just fell.
Okay,
Well,
kind of.
it's not a camera, it's a tablet.
Look at that little one right there. Okay, I hope you guys can see us.
If not, put it in the comments below. And yeah, we're about to try them. Well, they're not hot. Oh, I'm gonna barf from the smell. I'm gonna.
Garbage can.
I don't know yet. I didn't even swallow it.
That is disgusting.
I taste what's good.
Wait, try mine. I didn't bite this bite.
No.
You really be able to eat that?
Okay, I'll try I'll try yours if you try mine.
Hold on. I just want to take this out.
Okay, so I guess she's taking out ingredients. What the heck? How did you bite it?
Literally, you guys. Look at that. That looks like rotten cheese. And he liked it.
It looks rotten, but it's just from the stuff. So Riley, I guess you're gonna try mine.
No. Wait. Okay. Eat it.